In order for your LG dryer to perform at its best, please follow these maintenance guidelines on a regular basis to ensure a long life from your unit. It's important to clean out the lint filter after every load. If it needs to be cleaned thoroughly, water can be used. Make sure to completely dry the filter before reinserting back into place. Get your dryer ducts cleaned annually to help maximize your dryer's performance. Check for lint buildup on the moisture sensor located behind the lint filter and wipe often with a dry towel. Check for lint buildup on the door gaskets and clean if necessary. After using the steam cycle feature, you may notice some moisture buildup and condensation in the drum. Please dry the cavity thoroughly with a soft towel to prevent possible buildup. It's also recommended to put at least 3 articles of clothing in your dryer when using the steam cycle feature to effectively dry your garments. With proper care and regular maintenance, your LG dryer is built to last.